Hello, children. This week, our sight words are red. Red. His car is red. His car is red. His car is red. Red. Our next sight word is run. Run. She has to run. She has to run. She has to run. Run. Our next sight word is pretty. Pretty. You are very pretty. You are very pretty. You are very pretty. Pretty. Our final sight word is ran. Ran. They ran to church. They ran to church. They ran to church. Ran. These are all our sight words for this week. Why don't you see if you can make sentences of your own using these words? Have fun and have a great week.